day 5, as opposed to the first 4 days you've had, is different. It isn't just, Ben Gilad isn't here, but it's different in the sense, in those first 4 days, you learn the essentials. You learn good collection and good analytical techniques, and I think you learn it from the best, from Lenny Fold and Ben Gilad. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to pull that all together into a process. And we're going to use the traditional intelligence cycle or process as the organizing mechanism. And we're going to spend some time on how to produce intelligence and how to produce actionable intelligence. These are things that, as an intelligence professional, you need to understand. We recently designed the program to focus a little bit more on world-class operations, which I think you'll find useful. Most companies that set up intelligence functions want the best they possibly can have, and it's not always the companies that spend the most money that have the best intelligence programs. You really need to know what you're doing and how to do it, and that's what we focus on here today. I've done a lot of research in this field, and I'm going to share with you a couple of things today. One of those is the 10 characteristics of all world-class intelligence programs. We'll spend some time on that. And then I'll present to you a roadmap that you can use to sort of determine where you are in your development and how you can get to a world-class level program. We'll spend more time on operational planning. In fact, this afternoon we're going to have a workshop where you will be actually preparing a key intelligence topic, a KIT, a work plan, to execute the operations to produce intelligence for your management. I do have just a couple questions I'd like to ask you. It gives me a little calibration on the group. How many of you are experienced practitioners? That is, you've collected intelligence, or you've analyzed and produced, or maybe even used it. How many of you fit that category? You've actually done intelligence work. Okay, about 2/3 of you. How many of you are responsible for your organization's intelligence function? A little less than half, thank you. Then how many of you are just a single standalone intelligence professional in your organization? 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's interesting. Fewer than we usually have. Those are interesting statistics. I appreciate it very much.